I am so damn close. You can see every crease in my eye. Hi guys, it's Mo coming to you with mascara-less face, but everything else is done. So that only means one thing, right? Today we're going to do a mascara review, but before I get started, I just want to send some love your way, send some positivity your way. Stay strong, stay healthy. We will get through this, and I know you know that. Okay, so it's been a while since I purchased Gucci makeup. So what started this whole thing and this little stumble back down the Gucci makeup rabbit hole is their new lipsticks. I got one that I'm wearing, Penny Beige. This is a satin, and it's this one in this really cute packaging. I really have been enjoying these. So I saw that they came out with a mascara, and that's what we're going to be trying out today. This is the Gucci mascara. It's a lash by lash buildable volume mascara. So that's why I have no mascara on and I look like this. Because today we're going to demo out the mascara. We're going to wear it all day. Let's see how it performs, if there's any smudging, if there's any weirdness, so I can kind of give you like a full true day review. And we'll talk about it. So let's get started. I will attempt and try to pronounce this name. It's the Mascara L'Obscur. Tell me how I did. She retails for $35. She's a buildable mascara created with the ultimate formulation for a customized look, for classic to bold. I'm going to play some images from the mascara, and it's interesting. You can definitely see they're marketing this as like a customizable, build your own mascara kind of style. And I found it interesting, and that's kind of why I wanted to try it. I personally love mascaras, and I have fun with them because, like, on a normal day, mascara, brows, a little bit of bronzer, and concealer is kind of my go-to. And mascara can really work magic if it's the right formula. For the longest time, I've been using the Tom Ford Lash Raise, and I really, really like this formula. But I have a very strict 3 to maybe pushing it 4-month rule with my mascaras. Once it hits that time, it's gotta go. My eyes are very important to me, so I try my best to take very good care of them. So I'm always up for trying new mascaras. So yeah, she just happened to fall into that category for me, and I'm excited to try her out. So let me zoom super duper duper close so we can try her out. Packaging wise, I love the aesthetic. The colors are so beautiful. With the other newer product that I have from Gucci, which is the lipstick, I want to say that they really, I like the vibe, you know, and it definitely feels nice and luxury, nice and quality as far as packaging. Now check the wand out. The wand is pretty cool. It's not your traditional, I want to say, brush wand, like a plastic applicator kind of gig, but it's nice. So I'm just turning this way. Hopefully you can see my lashes. I have lashes. But for the most part, they do cooperate. I don't usually have to curl them, but you know, let's see. So I am going to do 1 coat of this, and then I want to build it up, and let's see how insane we can get it. So let's start off. I'm just wiggling at the base and bringing it out. Oh, wow. That's pretty nice. Wow. Sometimes these type of wands can kind of like stab you. But this was really nice. It got really close to my lash line and I was able to wiggle it nicely. I'm not going to go as far and say I'm a mascara connoisseur, but I've tried a few mascaras in my day. And when I notice that the tip doesn't have a lot of product, I know that you're going to get the right amount of product distribution. You're not going to have too much, you're not going to have too little, you're not going to have to like double dunk. I mean, so far it's looking pretty good. All right, I am going to put a little on the lower lash line and that was just one coat. I did go ahead and put the wand back in. In real world case scenario, I would put the wand back in and then go in with more. So I'm being as realistic as possible and as fair to the product as possible as well. Okay, so here's what just one go round with the mascara is looking like. Let me go ahead now back into the mascara and let's build her up. Ooh. I think that if you really wanted to, you can build this up to like spider lashes, if that's your gig, you know? For the lower lashes, I think I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to go too crazy. I did get a little bit on my lid, but that's, you know, I poke my eye out plenty. So it's not the mascara's fault, that's me. We built her up a little bit. Not bad. So there's this one photo in the product description area. Do you see? I feel like you could definitely build up to that. Just based on the two coats that I've done so far. And then you have, you know, something a little more simple. This one seems to be built up. This one looks to be built up quite a bit as well. I like how it's giving me nice length. And it's giving my eyes a little something, you know? Because it's not every day we want to wear a wing liner, no? All right. Let's go in another go. I did go back in, so let's do some more. Okay. Personal preference, I would stop here, but I can definitely see you being able to just go more and more and more and just get really crazy with it. But here is what it looks like so far. Definitely getting length, definitely getting some drama. It makes me look like I have more lashes than I really do. And you know what's cool? Personalities like mine who like different things often. I could see myself having some days where I do like one coat, let's keep it cute and simple, and then days where I just like, let's go drama. I kind of like that. But I mean, you can do that with any mascara, obviously, but you know, just saying. For fun, I'm going to see if this makes any difference. I'm just taking out my lash curler. This is the Surratt one. It's really good. I'm going to curl my lash on this one. Let's see if it makes a difference in the way the mascara goes on. For some people, they cannot do anything without curling their lashes first because they want to get that real lift and just that push. And I'm going to try it and see if it makes a difference with this mascara. So, okay, so I curled my lash. Let's go ahead and do a coat. And that was a fresh dunk. Starting at the base, just wiggle. Okay, so putting her back in, so there's that. Okay. So this is our lash that we curled, and this is just one coat. This is pretty. This is very, very doable. Let's go in with some more. Go ahead and do the lower. So here is 2 layers. I don't know if it's a fact that I put more coats on this eye, but I feel like this eye just looks versus the curled one. And I would think that the curled one, you know, would look a little more. Let's even them out and put a 3rd coat. And here we are. Both eyes have 3 coats of mascara, and my eyes are not heavy or falling or feeling irritated in any way. Definitely have a lot of length. I really like the color. I like the formula, how it's smooth. This is the eye that I use my lash curler, and this is just all me. I feel so much better. Mascara really works wonders. Okay, I'm going to wear this mascara for the rest of the day. And what I'll do is I'll come back at the end and show you how it performed. Let's see if it flakes. Let's see if it still looks this good at the end of the day. Right now it's 2:25 p.m. I'm going to wear it for the rest of the day. I'll come back. Let's see. Let's see. Good evening. It is 8:41 p.m. and I'm back so that I can show you how the mascara wore all day. Let me get closer so you can take a quick peek, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, here we are. Here is how the mascara is looking. She's still going pretty strong, and I feel like she's got a lot more left in her. Yeah. I didn't have any flaking. I am a daily contact wearer, and that's like a big deal for me, flaking, because, oh, getting stuff in your eye when you have contacts is like the absolute worst. But overall, ooh, she did good. I like it. I do. I still like the packaging. I think it's really pretty. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. Really like the mascara. I had fun playing around with it today. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Stay beautiful. Stay healthy. I'll see you soon. Bye. I get that question sometimes where, what do you like more, lashes or mascara? I'm a good 50-50. Maybe it's just my personality. I kind of go with my mood. Some days I really feel like going over the top and just slapping on a pair of lashes. And there's a lot of other days where I just don't have the time or I don't feel like dealing with lashes. So I'll just apply a lot of mascara and I'm good to go.